Because I know you linked with Busy, that's cool, but I know you also linked with like Chronixx, Kabaka Pyramid, Ibamar, all of these people right here. How did that connection come around?
Well, I think in 2013, I mean, when them say Reggae revival, I was in Jamaica that time, and I think my song started playing on the radio around the same time. Too, the Bleaching Shop song, Storms of Life in Europe. So, you know what I mean? I think Kabaka Pyramid introduced me to Chronixx. Yeah, me and Iba are bridging from a long time. So it's just one connection. But me and Kabaka, and me, Kabaka and Iba, more. You know what I mean? Yeah, but I know Chronixx well. You know what I mean? I think I saw him one time in Europe. I saw him one time at the Sierra Nevada Music Festival. You know, one time we did Sting. Remember, so one time, 2013, all of us did Sting.
Yep.
That was the first time performing on Sting. So that's how the connection made, you know what I mean? Jesse Royal likewise too. And I have a song with them too, you know. Because VP Production put out a tribute CD for Dennis Brown. And one of the songs on it is called Rasta Children with me, Kabaka, Chronixx, Jesse Royal, Jamil, Kelisa, Kes Dambi. Yeah, man. It named Rasta Children. So if you go on YouTube and put Chronixx, Rasta Children, you see all of us is on it.
Oh, you good.
Yeah.
Another big one you did with Kabaka Pyramid.
Yes, Strive.
Massive
well,
song.
But listen now, that song's a Juno award winning song too, Silly Walks. I was in Germany with Silly Walks, and I said, listen, when you guys got Jamaica, make sure you find Chronixx, them mute the body, you know. And I sit in and I say, Chronixx, I say, yeah man, when you got Jamaica, make sure you find them artists, them and the Chronixx and the Kabaka Pyramid and the Ibamar, them. That me I tell them, you know. So I remember when they met the rhythm, and them come to Jamaica, and them father Jamaica, and them say, vice Chronixx, you know. I say, hey, man say, you want to hear a song? I say, no, because you never vice for the rhythm yet. I say, no. Yeah, me know.
Didn't want to.
Yeah, so, and one time I went to check them uptown, and Chronixx come check them, but me and Chronixx never thought. I just see him come collect. I don't know if I piece of cookie come collect from him, but he come check Silly Wax. I say, oh, Chronixx. But me know. But the first time I hear Chronixx song, me know that there was something special about him. Me know that he was different. Yeah, and then me end up getting the rhythm now, having the rhythm. I'm just call Kabaka Pyramid. I'm sorry, I'm gonna just do something. I recorded Strive on the rhythm at Kabaka's house, and in Kingston. Yeah, man.
Yeah, big song. Another one that came, but this was 2014. Another massive song, Welcome the King.
Okay, Welcome the King is my first movie signed song. Yeah, it was signed to a movie called Chameleon. You know what I mean? And that song was produced by Keelstone Record out of the States. They're the one who produced this Take It Easy song also. He's a very good producer from the state. I met him online too. Yeah. You know what I mean? But Welcome the King is a big song. I have to perform that song anywhere I go in the world.
You have thing there. You have the visuals for that also.
Yeah. I shot the video in Kingston, Walton Park. Yeah, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.